Hi everyone, this is Antonio again. Jennifer, in the last episode, we got to know an inverter pool pump called Inverter. Now let's see how to use this Inverter.
Excellent, I can't wait. Let's get started.
Look, Inverter has a stylish design with an intelligent full-touch controller. I bet you have never seen this design on other pumps before.
Well, it's just like putting the iPad on a pool pump. This is the control panel of the pump, right? I see many icons and parameters on the screen.
Yes, to make the whole operation easier, the control logic is very simple. Next, I will show you how to access the most common functions like self-priming, operation mode, and timer. Everyone knows that the pool pump will conduct self-priming when it is first switched on to prevent the pump from running dry or damaging other parts such as the motor, mechanical seal, etc.
This step is very important. Professional installers and users might pay attention to this step while installation. Make sure it does not run without water.
Right. When you switch on the pump, it will automatically perform the self-priming. After that, it will perform self-learning to redefine the flow range of the system by detecting the pipeline pressure.
So smart! How long does the self-priming process take?
It takes 1,500 seconds by default and stops automatically when the system detects the pump is full of water. Then it will conduct a self-learning process.
This is a unique feature of the full inverter technology, right? I have never seen that on other pool pumps.
Correct. When the self-priming process is completed, the pump will run at a rate of 80%. Next, I will show you the auto inverter mode of this inverter pool pump.
It's such a convenient one-step setting. Should I choose the pump speed by myself?
No, you needn't. In auto inverter mode, we can adjust the flow rate with the up and down icons. Then, the running capacity will be automatically adjusted according to the preset flow rates.
This is very necessary. Otherwise, as with the variable speed pump, I have to calculate and test at what speed the pump should run. Nobody likes doing math problems before swimming.
Exactly. Auto inverter mode lets the inverter pool pump operate automatically and maintain a constant flow rate. It takes only 3 seconds.
Wow, I will buy one. Other pumps are not easy to use as this one.
Yeah, besides auto inverter mode, this inverter pool pump is also equipped with a manual inverter mode. It allows us to simply adjust the percentage by pressing the up and down icons. Each time the speed will be changed by 5%. If you want to adjust the speed manually, you can choose this manual inverter mode.
From 30% to 100%, I remember this is the running capacity range.
Yeah, and there's another commonly used function, which is the timer.
Obviously, is this icon?
Right. The first time you use this function, you need to set your local time first. Pressing the up and down icons to select the number and press the timer icon to save it. When the small number 1 starts flashing, you enter the setting of the timer.
There are numbers from 1 to 4, so there are 4 timer settings for the pool pump?
Correct. For each setting, press the up and down icon to set the time period first. Select the flow rates, and then press the timer icon to confirm and save it.
It's quite simple, just like using a mobile phone.
Yes. When setting multiple timers, you should set a valid time period that does not overlap each other. Otherwise, the pump will regard it as invalid and will only run according to the valid setting.
The full touch screen is really user-friendly, but the pool pump is usually installed in the machine room, so it is necessary to run automatically. But if I want to change the settings in certain situations, can I do that without going to the machine room?
Of course you can. You can operate it directly on your cell phone. Inverter has a built-in Wi-Fi module. After connecting the pump to your cell phone, you can operate it anywhere.
That sounds great!
You can download the app Inverter from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up and connect to your inverter pool pump. And here on this interface, you can access a lot of functions such as auto inverter mode, manual inverter mode, timer, etc.
This app is easy to use. I think most users can easily get started the first time.
Exactly. User-friendly is a highlight of this pump.
After today's conversation, I deeply felt that the pattern design is really user-friendly. I also noticed that there is a very important value on the screen.
Yes, you also notice the value above the flow rates, right?
Does it mean power consumption?
Correct. This inverter pool pump also shows the real-time power consumption.
Wow, it's visible energy saving. I'm totally convinced. Who would not love such a convenient full touchscreen inverter pool pump with 50 times energy saving and 30 times silent?
Yeah, I believe you have been deeply attracted by it.
Thank you so much for offering me such an impressive experience of this advanced product. See you next time.
See you!